Using a USPSN card in the UK is very easy. Today I'll show you how to do it. You cannot directly use a USPSN card on a UK PSN account because PS cards are region locked, meaning they can only be used on accounts registered in the same region as the card. Thus, PSN cards can only be used on USPSN accounts, and the same goes for UK PSN cards. However, there are a couple of workarounds you can use to use a USPSN card on a UK PS account. Firstly, you can create a USPS account and use the USPSN card to add funds to that account. You can then use that account to purchase games and other content from the US PlayStation Store. However, you will not be able to use the USPS account to access content that is exclusive to the UK PlayStation Store. Alternatively, you can use a VPN to connect to a US server and then use the USPS card to add funds to your UK PSN account. Once you have added the funds, you can disconnect from the VPN and use your UK PS account to purchase games and other content from the UK PlayStation Store.